Now children, today in this class, in the as I taught you in the previous class about what are natural number, what are whole number, what are integers, what is representation of integer on the number line. Now in this class we will discuss about arranging the integer in ascending or descending order. Children, we will learn how we can arrange the integers in ascending or descending order. What is, before that, the two questions are arising: what is ascending order and what is descending order? Children, ascending order means smaller to bigger, and descending order means bigger to smaller. So we have two things here: ascending order and descending order. As I told you, what is ascending order? Ascending order means smaller to bigger. That means firstly the smaller number will come, then after that bigger number will come, then the biggest number will come. In descending order, the biggest will come, then the smaller will come, then the smallest will come. Now we can take an example for the clarification of the concept here. Like I'm taking here, represent the given number in ascending order. We can take an example here how we can represent the given number in ascending order. I'm taking an example: -5, -4, -3, 8, 7, 12, 0. Children, before representing the number, we can make the order of the number. What is the order of the number? That means which number will come first and which will come to the next of that number. Out of these all the numbers, we may say -5 is the smallest number. Why? Because the numbers having the greater magnitude but having this minus sign will be the smallest one out of these all. So this will come on the first position. We can say similarly -4 will come on the second position. This will come on the third position. This will come to the fourth position. 7 will come to the fifth position, and 8 will come to the sixth position, then 12 will come to the seventh position. So in ascending order, the first number will be -5, then second number will be -4, then third number will be -3, then fourth number will be 0, fifth will be 7, then 8, then seventh number will be 12. This is the ascending order. I can take one more example for the clarification of the concept of ascending and descending order for you. That is, represent the given number in descending order. So children, as we have discussed, what is descending order? Descending order is nothing, it is bigger to smaller. That means firstly the biggest number will come, then the smallest will come, the smaller will come, then the smallest number will come. So we can take an example here: -4, -8, -7, -2, 0, 5 and 11. Children, we may see here, because the positive number will be the bigger one here, so for this will come to the first position. This will come to the second position. Similarly, this will be the, since we know that 0 is bigger than all the negative numbers, so this will come to the third position. Similarly, this will fourth position, this is fifth position, this will sixth position, and this will on the seventh position. That is, out of these all the number, -8 is the smallest one. So in descending order, the representation can be done as 11, 5, 0, -2, -4, -7, -8. This was the representation of the number in descending order, that is the representation of the integer in descending order. So now we have the next topic, that is absolute value of an integer. Absolute value of an integer. We can learn here what is the absolute value. Before finding the absolute value of any integer, we must have to know about what is absolute value. So the absolute value we can define as it is regardless of sign. Regardless of sign means regardless of sign. That is, before finding the absolute value of any integer, we must have to know what is meaning of regardless of sign. Regardless of sign means there will not be any kind of sign, positive or negative, in the absolute value of any integer. For example, we may see, find the absolute value of -5. It is being represented by this mod. It is read as mod. So the absolute value of -5, since it is regardless of sign, it will be 5. Similarly, we can find the absolute value of 5. It will also be 5. We may find the absolute value of -4. It will be 4. Children, we can see here the absolute value of any integer is regardless of its sign. It is regardless of its sign, that means there will not be any kind of sign, positive or negative, included in the absolute value of an integer. We may see here the absolute value of -5 will be 5, the absolute value of 5 will be 5, the absolute value of -4 will be 4. So the absolute value, I think, is clear for you. Children, we may recall our topics what we have discussed till now. In the previous class, we have discussed about what is natural number, what is whole number, what is integer, what is representation of integer on the number line, and in this class we have arranging the integer in ascending or descending order. That is, I clarified here for you that what is ascending order. The values from smaller to bigger will be in ascending, the values from bigger to smaller will be in descending. I took here example and I illustrated it very clearly for you. Now the absolute value of an integer, I told you it is regardless of sign. So for the absolute value of any number will have the magnitude but will not have any kind of sign. That means -5 having the magnitude 5 but sign minus. So for the absolute value of -5, here will become 5, but it will not have any kind of sign. It will have only the magnitude. And I illustrated, and I must have to give the assignment for you for practice now. Now children, I am going to give you assignment for practice. You may see here. Children, I have given an assignment here for you. I have given the work to do. Define the following: natural number, whole number, integer, absolute value. I also have given the assignment to represent the given number on number line. You may represent -5 as well as -7 as well as 8 and 10 on the number line. Similarly, you may find the absolute value. You may find the absolute value of -10, 12, 0 and mod of -5 and its mod again. I took here the assignment to arranging the number on ascending or descending order. I have given here 2 works. I am giving you the deep glance of this image, so for you can note it to do as your assignment. Children, till now in our 2 classes we have discussed about these topics, and the assignment is given to you to do the practice, so as you may practice and can take the another books examples to clear the concept. Thank you very much.